Greetings everybody, this is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic. And today we're going to be looking at a new feature in Swifdoo that is convert PDF to Word. So we got our Swifdoo program open here. We have several PDFs for examples here, but not a lot of people know how to do this, but this tutorial we're going to show you how through here. So you can see all the recent PDF files here, but it will just show up as recent files. So we're just going to go into PDF to Word here, and we're going to start the conversion process. So it takes you to this window where it shows a window and also various other options here. So on the left it shows PDF to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Image, CAD, and HTML. So you can convert it to many other different formats if you've got other programs. But we're going to just use Word for now. So it allows you to go through your file explorer, and then you can click on a PDF that you see here. And then once you go through the process, just click open there, and then it will start the whole process. It'll show a status bar, and it also shows the size of the file, page range, and you can just click start right there. So once you click start, it'll do the whole processing bit, and it'll open up in Microsoft Word, whatever version you have. So this has really made it easy for people to want to send PDFs to Word that they can easily modify and edit. It's really saved me a lot of time in putting stuff in, because I definitely want to just like do some tweaking when it comes to putting into Word. And I don't have the opportunity to do that, but with this program, it's really made it easy. I mean, yeah, you could use Adobe Acrobat too, but it's not as user-friendly as Swifdoo. And I want to thank Swifdoo for hooking me up with this exclusive program. And you can also click on it below in the description to give it a try for yourself. So this is the second video of this series. So what it'll do now is it'll go into Word and then open up the PDF, and there you have it. So you can modify the PDF however you like. So you can click on a certain section and it'll give you the tools to edit and insert rows, and you can save it and modify it to your liking. So that is it, and this is one way that you can do it, and you can also do it through Excel as well. It will make it into a spreadsheet or whatever you want, and also in a PowerPoint format, however you want to do it. So thank you again for watching this video, and if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to my channel below.